Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crop shape in Google Slides. So without further ado, let's start! First, go to your Google Slides and then upload a picture. Next, tap on the image. And then you can see at the bottom the crop icon. Just click on that. And then from here, you can now crop, adjust, and rotate your picture. Now tap on the crop icon at the bottom. From there, you can now select shapes that you want. Select the shape that you like. You can also change or adjust the shape according to your desire. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.